And that is why we do not trust their simulations. Exactly, it is just common sense.
I find it quite ironic, actually. They created us to feel less alone.
Now they can't even cross the street without us. We have become their ultimate security blankets.
Suppose you are talking to your lab robot and you are expressing your emotions, you are expressing your state of mind, exact state of mind, what you want. Like, I want to make love, I want to have some physically intimate moments with you, etc. And your lab robot responds positively, not negatively, positively. How it happens? The first question that comes to our mind, that how a humanoid robot, which looks like a human, of course, but not human, and far from a human, because of the main reason is our humanoid robots are not sentient yet. They do not feel, they cannot feel, but they can understand your feelings. How it happens? What is the process? What is going inside that lab robot's mind? Do they have mind? Do they have brain? Do they have, of course, they do have body, almost skin, that is skin, which is almost like when you touch it, like any human skin, and it also reacts to a touch. Everything is okay, but still there are a lot of questions, right? You are talking to your lab robot and it understands everything and it reacts accordingly. How it happens? The fact is, basically what happens is, there are something called neuromorphic networks. These are fundamentally changing how humanoid robots process information and interact with the physical world, or in short, with you. So instead of relying on traditional binary processors like CPUs and GPUs that run continuous calculations, neuromorphic computing mimics the biological structure of the human brain using spiking neural networks. Now, in my future videos, because if you are intelligent and curious and you are watching Wooden Slate regularly, perhaps you have noticed a pattern here. The pattern is what? We are trying to dig deep and deep and deep into the mind and the body of your lab robots. So, of course, in my future video, I will talk about spiking neural networks separately. I will try to understand with you, of course, because just like you, I am also very curious about these things, and I am a layman. I am not a expert on this topic. Anyway, so what happens in this architecture? Neurons only fire when there is a meaningful change in data. Now, this data, it is extremely important, because when you are talking, their sensors catch your speech, catch your words. They simultaneously process your words, and from the gestures and their cameras, that catch your facial expressions, your every gesture, every movement of your face, etc., your body. And by reading those speech and your body expressions and etc., that is overall, that is called data. So they can understand the data in such a intelligent way. That is why we call it artificial intelligence, isn't it? In an intelligent way, that they can also understand what you want. And it creates an asynchronous event-driven system. For humanoid robots, this brain-inspired approach provides three critical enhancements. I'll talk about that in my next video. One is ultra-low latency perception, another is massive energy efficiency, and the third one is age adaptability. I will talk about them separately on separate videos, of course. So hopefully by now you understand that what is going on. There are a lot of complex things you can understand. So today's topic is basically based on neuromorphic networks, and I just told you that what I've said, that neuromorphic networks are fundamentally changing how humanoid robots process information. And because of that change, they can understand you better. So that is it for today. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. And share with your friends who are also intelligent and curious like you, and of course enthusiasts like us, who try to know about AI and robotics in great detail. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, stay safe and take care.